In this lesson, you're going to learn how to enter text, numbers, and dates into your Excel worksheet. So if you go to cell A1, let me just increase the font so that you can be able to see clearly. And just let's say I type my name. You can clearly see that Excel runs over to the next cell. But if I click on the tab key of the keyboard, then I type another name, then hit the tab key, you can clearly see that if I expand the cells, that my name is still retained and the word Tom Jones hasn't overridden my name. So in Excel's world, text are aligned to the left, and let's type a numerical value, let's say for example 100. Then we can hit either the return key or the enter key. You can clearly see that numbers are aligned to the left hand side. So let's type a date format, for example 12th of 12th 2019, then hit the enter key or the return key. You can also clearly see that the date is also aligned to the right hand side. So we can clearly say that when entering text into Excel, words will always will overflow to the next cell, or will be underhidden. That's meaning that if I type to this cell B2, B1 will not interfere with whatever I had typed in cell A1, even if A1 the words were overflowing into B1. And if I'm typing numbers are always going to be aligned to the right hand side. And if I'm also typing dates are also going to be aligned to the right hand side of the Excel worksheet. Let's say, for example, I did not expand the cell, and I brought it to the original size of font the original cell was. You can clearly see that Excel displays some hashes. Whenever you use Excel and you see these hashes, it simply means that the cell is too small to display whatever contents are within the cell. So what you simply need to do is double click on it, and Excel will expound so that you can be able to see the full contents of the cell. Now, in this lesson, you have learned how to enter text, numbers, and dates into the Excel workbook or worksheet. See you in the next lesson.